But what can I do? Just I pray him and make also become strong because I'm very far away for I'm very far away for my family, but sometimes I forget, but sometimes I feel hard also because it's not easy. Your relatives is going fast away because in your family, if you see to each other, you can remember. You can remember him because last I see for him last 2019. Yes, I visited her house, but now when I don't, that's life. I become emotionally because of that, but what can I do? I want to accept. Just praying and praying. You know, the life of OFW is very difficult, especially like the situation. But anyway, can I manage myself because I want to become stronger also. But that's life. Only remember, we remember his what this one memories. We cannot forget each other. I can't. I can't remember because I'm only one, but I make busy my whole day so that I cannot remember. But if I come in my room, I remember. What we told, our life they have ending. Too much pain, but we cannot. We need to accept it. But again, guys, thank you so much for your support. I will sign off. This is Annie PH Vlog. Thank you so much, guys. I'm sorry because I'm emotional now. Since afternoon. Few minutes, guys. I will off this one. My life.